Hello students, let us discuss how to find the space-time in continuous reactor using graphical procedure. Here we will use a numerical to explain all this stuff. So this is the problem statement. A is giving R. So these are various runs, run number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so these 5 runs are taken in a mixed flow reactor. So these are the values of tau space-time. Okay, there is a decrease in space-time. And these are the input concentration, initial concentration of reactant A. And this is the exit concentration of reactant A. Now, we have to find the space-time for treating a feed with Ca0 is equal to 100 millimole per liter to 80% conversion in plug flow reactor and in mixed flow reactor. So what is the aim? Aim is to find the space time, right? So I think you have got the problem now. Now A is giving R and you can see fractional change in volume is 0. For mixed flow reactor, what is the equation? Tau is equal to Ca0 minus Ca upon minus Ra, right? So this is how 1 upon minus Ra is tau upon Ca0 minus Ca. So this formula will be useful now to find 1 upon minus Ra. So 1 upon minus Ra value will be tau upon Ca0 minus Ca. You have got tau value, you have got Ca, you have got Ca0 value for all the runs. So just substitute in each run this formula, these values, and you will get 1 upon minus Ra for each run. So for first run it is 2, second run it is 0.58, for third it is 0.275, for fourth it is 0.167, and for last it is 0.11. So all these values we have obtained using these input values, right? And I think you have got the point that the runs are given for mixed flow reactor, hence we have used the performance equation of mixed flow reactor only. Now we can plot a graph of 1 upon minus Ra versus Ca. Now for performance equation details, you can visit on my channel for performance equation of CSTR, performance equation of PFR, where I have already discussed all this stuff. So 1 upon minus Ra versus Ca, if you plot this graph, right? So after plotting a graph, this will be the curve. So this total area within 20 to 100, okay, this total area will be area for CSTR, and area under the curve is for only for PFR. Okay, so as we are knowing, Ca0 value is given 100 millimole per liter. If this is the input value and this is the conversion, we have to find the space time, right, for both reactors. So if Xa is 0.8, so Ca will be Ca0 into 1 minus Xa, and final value of Ca is 20. This is why in previous graph the rectangle, or you can say whatever graph you have plotted, we have utilized the area between 20 to 100. The reason is this: your initial concentration feed to the reactor is 100, conversion requires 80. It means the Ca, which is the concentration of A in the outflow, is 20. We have used this formula, Ca is equal to Ca0 into 1 minus Xa. So now for plug flow reactor, tau is equal to integration minus integration Ca0 to Cf dC upon minus Ra. So we have plotted a graph of 1 upon minus Ra versus Ca. So your tau value for plug flow reactor will be area under curve, right? So area under curve we have got is 8.62 centimeter square. Multiplied by scale on x-axis into scale on y-axis, you will get value of space-time required for plug flow reactor, right? So this is what your space-time required for plug flow reactor when your input concentration is 100 and output concentration required is 20, that is desired conversion is 80. So the space-time required for plug flow reactor in this condition is 34.5. For mixed flow reactor, that is for CSTR, again you require 80% conversion and feed is 100 millimole per liter, that is a concentration. So CAF value will be 20. So area under this 20 to 100 in a rectangle is 40. You can refer to the graph. Okay, and that is why your tau m value will be that 40 into scale on x-axis into scale on y-axis. So you have got space-time 160. If you compare space-time of plug flow reactor and CSTR, you will find that CSTR require more space-time. This is because there will be a slow conversion pattern in the CSTR as compared to plug flow reactor, and that is why you require more time, more space time in a mixed flow reactor for same conversion. So actually this is a kind of disadvantage if you compare the time required, volume required. Okay, in CSTR it is always greater than PFR. So I think you have got the point, and hence I can conclude here for this numerical. I think you understood everything, but still if you have any doubt, you can either mail me or WhatsApp me. Don't bother. This is a lockdown period, but still if you require my help to solve any query, I will be there for you. This is for sure. So thank you very much